This 5-minute solution will show you how to import contacts from Gmail to iPhone. Importing contact from Gmail to iPhone is super easy and quick process. Just follow me to do it. First of all, go to your settings, scroll down and tap on Mail, tap on Accounts, Add Account, select Google, Continue. Now you have to sign into your Gmail account. So enter here the Gmail account, tap on Next, enter the Gmail password, Next. Once you update your Gmail account, now tap on Gmail, and to import your Gmail contacts, you have to enable contacts option here, and then wait for up to 10 minutes to completely import your Gmail contacts to your iPhone, and then you will get your Gmail contacts in your contacts app or contacts list. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.